Hey guys, so it's cold again, man. I swear, I live in Houston. I'm done with the initial sand on the blocks, but next what I need to do is build a jig for the dice template. Luckily, a 2x4 is 3.5 inches, and so are these. Basically, I'm gonna use the 2x4s for my two sides, kind of like that type situation. And then I've got a piece of backer board over there that I'm gonna cut out and lay over the top, attach. We'll probably do a little test run on the template before we adhere it to this so I don't screw it up. But that is the next step. Let's get to work. It's totally off. Yesterday I wanted to try a couple different kind of experiments on how I wanted to create the dice so I could batch them out. So the first one I did was I just burned the whole thing, and then I was going to drill into it, but my concern was that some of the charcoal from the char would fall into the holes and dirty them up, which is what happened on some earlier iterations. However, while I was doing that, I came up with this idea. What I did is I drilled the hole shallow, then I burned it, and then I drilled the holes out. And it seemed to work really well. So at that point in time, I was done with my experiments, and I think we're going to go ahead and batch some out. Alright guys, there you have it. Making these dice was super simple, pretty straightforward, as long as you get the jig right. I didn't get the jig right on the first try. So the first jig I made, I don't even know if you can see this. See how those are all off? That, my friend, was a bad jig. But the final product, I like them. They look pretty cool. They've got a couple of coats of poly on them. They should be pretty durable. The poly seals in that black char so it doesn't get all over your hands when you roll in the grass. And I gotta say, I dig them. As you saw in the video, I did make more than just the 5. I have a bunch more blanks back here. Well, I call them blanks because they have a blank side. Stay tuned, I'm gonna do some carving on some of these and do like some logos and different things like that. Thinking maybe a Punisher skull on one of them. What up? If you have any suggestions on what you want me to carve on one of them, let me know in the comments down below. And while you're down in that area, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like what I'm doing. Just came across a statistic this weekend that 85% of the people that view my channel aren't subscribed. If you're viewing it and you dig the builds, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. Once I get to 100 subscribers, I can actually get my vanity URL, so it'd be youtube.com/buildthatbuild instead of the gibberish that's on there now, so that would be cool. Alright guys, until next time, thanks for playing, and let's get to work.